we're going to talk about 5 options for lowest investment for permanent residencies with 0% personal tax. As you know, getting a second residency, a second passport can give you a lot of benefits. A plan B, taking into account that the new situation of the world, talking about wars, talking about instability of some governments. So it's very important to have a second residency, a plan B residency, and this is going to give us the chance to reduce our taxes to 0% taxes with these 5 countries, 5 jurisdictions that I will tell you in this video. And I prepare one country for each continent, so you can diversify in each continent. So let's start with the first one. The first country that I will talk today is Panama. Panama, to get a permanent residency card, you need to invest $30,000 in real estate through the program Panama Friendly Nation Visas. Something to keep in mind is the Panama Friendly Nation Visas is not for all the countries. There are a list of countries that can apply for this. If you're interested in this, send us a message and we will send you the list of the countries. You're not going to have tax on your foreign source income, so if you develop businesses abroad of Panama as a resident, you're not going to pay taxes because Panama have a territorial tax residency. Also, Panama, you can invest in $300,000 in real estate and you can also invest in a Panamanian company. The second option, Vanuatu. This is a not residency program, it's a citizenship by investment program. The benefits are pretty similar. Actually, there are better benefits because you're going to acquire a second passport with more visa-free travels in your portfolio. You need to make an investment, you need to make a donation of $130,000 to the Vanuatu government. You're going to also need to cover a due diligence process. The cost is around $5,000. This due diligence going to give you the peace of mind that our company going to review all your paperwork and check that the government going to approve your request. There is a new possibility now. The government of Vanuatu gives you the chance to invest $150,000 in a governmental fund and they will give you back in 5 years $50,000. So the total investment going to be, it's not an investment, it's a donation, going to be 100,000 USD. The tax benefit that you're going to have is not going to have personal income tax, you're not going to have wealth tax, capital gain tax, so it's completely free of tax Vanuatu. Also, the process are very fast. In less than 2 months, you will have the Vanuatu passport. And it's not necessary to travel there. You can apply directly in the embassy and then you will receive the passport in your home. The third option, in Europe, Malta. The investment requirement is 150,000 euros in investment government bonds plus 10,000 donation to the Maltese government. Then you need to see if you're going to buy a property. If you want, you can invest in property in Malta and of a price of 350,000 euros. Or the other option, if you don't want to invest in real estate, you need to present an annual rent of 16,000 euros. The name of the program is Malta Permanent Residency Program, very simple, and you're not going to have tax on worldwide income if you're not remitted to Malta. While the total investment is higher than other countries, Malta offers you a permanent residency pathway with a very favorable tax regime in Europe. And in Malta you will enjoy a high quality of life, high standards of life, and also Malta will provide you with access of the European Union benefits. So the first option is Antigua and Barbuda in the Caribbean. The investment requirement is $100,000 via a national development fund. It's pretty similar to Vanuatu. This is a citizenship by investment. You will have a second passport, no personal income tax, wealth tax, or capital gains tax. You will be completely tax-free in Antigua. The process takes a little bit more than Vanuatu. It will be 3 to 4 months, and the citizens of Antigua can enjoy around 140 visa-free travel. The last option, United Arab Emirates in Asia. The UAE offer a long-term residency visa for invest in real estate. Dubai in particular is known for its zero tax policy and thriving expat community. I have talked a lot of UAE. In my point of view, is one of the best options in the market right now. If you like to go into this, send us a comment. You can schedule a call with us and see you in the next video.